Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to find your Discord user ID and others user ID. So go here on user settings first, scroll down below and go to advanced under app settings, and you'll see the developer mode. Make sure that it is turned on. So just like so, turn it on. After that, go to this, click on your profile here, and below you see that you can copy the user ID. You can open your notepad or something and just save that, so that you don't need to open Discord every time you need your user ID. And after that, if you want to copy the user ID of others, you just go through the members list, something like this, and you click on them, view their profile, click on the three dots here, and here you can copy their user ID just like so, and there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.